In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create a bubble chart using the Visualizer plugin. Visual aids like graphs, bars, pie charts, and a couple others are a perfect way to add data seamlessly with your content. You can easily add them using the Visualizer plugin. If you've saved data in a spreadsheet like Excel or Google Sheets or another spreadsheet program, then you can also display that data as a chart using this plugin. So to do this, first you need to install and activate the Visualizer plugin. Now, I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now, if you notice, you'll see the Visualizer icon on your dashboard. Go to the icon, and then click on Add New Chart. And here you get a couple of different chart types to choose from. There are some premium chart types as well, but they come with the upgraded version of the plugin. So for now, let's select the bubble chart. Then click on Next. Now the first thing you need to do is import your data. The data that I'm using for these charts is taken from here. You can click on this link to download an example file with the necessary format and then replace it with your data. For this tutorial, I'm using the default data provided in the example file. Now I'll go to Settings. And first we have the General Settings. Here you can give this chart a title, you can change the title position from here, and the title color from here. You can also change the axis title from here. Then in the font style settings, you can change the font family and the size of the text from here. In the legend settings, you can change the position from here. You can also change the alignment from here, and you can change the font color too. Then in the tooltip settings, you can determine the trigger that causes the tooltip to be displayed from here. And from here, you can choose to show color code. You can also add animations for this chart. Just enable this. And then choose the duration in milliseconds. And finally, choose the easing from here. Then you can add the license and creator information from here. Now let's move on to the horizontal axis settings. First, in the general settings, you can add the axis title, change the position of the title, and change the text color from here. Then you can add grid lines from here. And of course, change the color of those grid lines from here. You can also add minor grid lines. And in the View window, you can add the maximum and minimum data value to render. Now the vertical axis settings are basically the same as the horizontal settings. You can add the axis title, change the position of the title, and change the text color. You can add grid lines, minor grid lines, and set the view window. Now in the bubble settings, you can choose the opacity from here, 0 being fully transparent and 1 being fully opaque. You can choose to sort the bubbles by size. And you can set a maximum and minimum size for the bubbles here. Then you have the chart size and placement. In the chart layout, you can configure the total size of the chart. You can add a background color from here, or you can choose to have a transparent background. Then in the placement setting, you can set the margins as well as the chart area from here. And then finally, click on Create Chart. And as you can see, the chart was created. Now click here to get the shortcode for this chart. And let's create a new page and add this chart to it. I'm just going to give this page a quick title, and then paste the shortcode here. Now, let's preview this page. And as you can see, the chart was added successfully. This is how you can create a bubble chart using the Visualizer plugin. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.